You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay, sir. The cafe that I like to visit is Chai Kawali. It is located in Johor Town, Lahore, D Block. And the main thing is it is in the center of Lahore, and you can access from everywhere from the Lahore. And its menu is very versatile. You can avail here fast food and barbecue, and in drinks you can enjoy teas, coffees, and ice shakes. And I, I usually go with my friends at night, because at night you can enjoy some music like Qawwali, and it's a environment enjoying worthwhile. And after all day efforts, you have some time to enjoy and sit with your friends. Basically, I go there with my friends because mostly my friends live nearby, so it is easy for us to gather there and enjoy and have quality time. So it's according to my taste, because when you listen music, and then you can enjoy a little more better than others, and that's all.
All right, thank you. You spoke for 1 minute and 9 seconds, so try to speak a little more than this, at least 1.5 minutes. Overall, it's good. You made very good sentences. A few mistakes in pronunciation. You talked about G block. It should be block. Block, right? Not block. And then you're lacking connecting words also. Connecting words always connect your ideas together. You can achieve coherence while using connecting words. So try to use connecting words. Moreover, sometimes, meanwhile, and all that. Then you said listen music. Listen to music. After listen, whenever you use any object, you use that.
Okay, sir.
And then you said little more better at the end. Better and more, they never come together. Little better, better than this. But more and better will never come together, right? Yeah. Sometimes people say more good, more better. Better means more good actually. So you cannot use that. So looking at your overall performance, I'll give you 6. With a little improvement, you can make it 6.5, right? Thank you.
Sir.